ever seen this GPS, sir? You already seen or not?
Receiver.
No.
This is the receiver.
So here two batteries are there, backside. Chargeable battery, lithium ion battery. And here one memory card is there. So this is not having internal memory. Unless you are having this external memory card, this will not record your data. SS card. What is called? Flash card. Compact flash card. Bigger size. So then, and here, this is for display panel connection. This is for computer connection or otherwise battery charging. This is for radio signaling system connection, differential GPS or battery charging you can use. So since this is not differential GPS, so this radio part is not used. Here this is for GPS wire. Yellow wire just now we have seen.
Cable, sir.
We can connect here.
This one.
This is for display panel. Means I told you here you cannot see what is happening inside that. So you have to attach some screen, some computer, laptop, anything. And here same button is used for switching on and switching off the instrument.
Okay, you proceed, sir.
This is for radio signaling system. Radio signal. When DGPS, but we did not work as DGPS with this system.
But it is DGPS ready, sir. Whenever
Yes.
we need DGPS method,
Yes.
we can,
Yes. So here same button for switching on and switching off.
Became too big.
आप में डाल दिया ना गार्डन and here sir battery A and battery B, two batteries are there, the two indicators are there. The battery that is in use will remain green, otherwise orange. This is for radio signaling system, so this light is useless for us. This indicates GPS signal, whether this is connected correctly to antenna or not. So if this light is glowing, means GPS signal is reaching the receiver. If this light is not glowing, then we go check wire connection only, whether wire is erroneous or antenna is erroneous or connection is not proper. And this data uploading, downloading. So once survey starts, this light glows orange. If this light is not glowing, means your work is not going on. Data is reaching, but not being stored. Your work is waste. So always you have to check whether this light is glowing or not. Means not always means consistently. After half an hour, after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, periodically you have to check whether this light is glowing or not. Once this light is glowing, means your work is going on. So this is here on this receiver. Its number is written here, sir. So 52374 9509. So its file number will become 5909. Then you told sir how many dates?
329, sir.
329 and 0. So this will be file number.
5909.
329.
But how many times you are starting and switching off? Sometimes you forget also. So file number remembering is not that easy. So you must note down your starting time and closing time. So that by that you can identify which is your receiver.
365 days, sir.
Closing.
முந்நூற்றறுபத்தஞ்சு மைனஸ் 31 இன்னைக்கு என்ன தேதி
6 நாள் கழிச்சுங்க சார்
6 நாள் அவ்வளோதான்.
While keeping this antenna, it should be north direction, approximate. This is arrow, no? Okay. This arrow should be towards north. Okay.
Just by common sense north. You do not have any instrument to measure north.
Okay.
By common sense keep in north. no problem.
Okay.
So just I'm switching on this instrument. One condition is there. At the time of switching on, you must not press long, more than 30 seconds. Setting is like that, card will be formatted. At the time of switching on.
30 seconds.
At the time of switching off, you can press, no problem. At the time of switching on, one hard press. Fast. Long press is not allowed. If you are doing long press, red light is glowing means connection is okay. And orange light is glowing means survey is start. So just note down time. Time of starting. We will note time of closing. So we will do only half an hour of So this is for measuring height. We will take slant height. Here three positions are there. This is called antenna phase center. This is called bottom of antenna mount, and this is called in bottom of notch. So in such kind of receiver, you cannot take height up to bottom of mount or field center. So just slant height up to bottom of notch. So here this is coming 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. Here is 1 meter. Okay, so 90 centimeter, 91, 92, 93. Just 93 centimeter 00 you can write.
93.
So sir, it will in meter it will become sir 0.93. 0.93. This much only.
Write in form also. You should write in form. You have to keep that. You have to keep that form.
The height should be from ground level, isn't it?
But here sir, ground is here.
At least then we should take the height from.
No, my
this
point
is
is
known
marked
point.
here,
No,
sir.
already constructed.
This is
and
my
we observed this
my point is marked here, sir.
Okay,
This is our point,
not the ground level.
not ground level. So from where you want? Suppose I am removing this GPS. So from where will you measure next time?
Sir, project
Change
control
that,
Measure here. So this is our reference.
Permanent
point.
GPS.
today's date.
Training only training. So everybody can measure height on this.
ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ಎಂಟು ಹೇಳಿರಿ
So easy, sir. Here 1 meter, 95 centimeter, 105, 110, so 1.1 kilo, 1.11 like that.
height of the antenna, sir. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್
Bottom of notch.
Sir, this one is file number.
Yes. Not sir, receiver number.
File number.
File number you write, sir.
Which one is it?
File number 4 digit.
File number.
This one is file
Sir,
number.
he is telling file number.
Sir, what is the receiver number, sir? You said device number.
Receiver number here.
52374.
Serial number.
Receiver number is sir. File number is 539.
First section, no? So 0. That is file number. The first 4 digits, this is last 4 digits, file number. This is Julian day. Oh, Julian day. Okay. From January 1st to till date. So first time, no? Yeah. So 0. Next time, that is 1. Height of antenna? 0.93. This is 0.93. Sir, good evening. And write 0.93. Receiver number is receiver number.
File number 590.
0.93. 0.93.
Not east obstruction. That is obstruction. No obstruction is there, no? Clear view. Dash.
And then the longitude అది నిమిద బాప సార్
Okay. Longitude latitude, if you have any display panel, you can identify your real-time coordinate. We don't have any display panel, no? So just leave the blank. Now
here you have to write a description of the station. This is known station. Whole description holds good. You can write. Otherwise, keep it blank now as it is. Afterwards, we will write that on next station. We will go there. There you have to write its description and sketch also. Okay.
So feed of HW.
No, there is no display panel. No. Okay.
This is 6.
Not more than 6. No, that is less than 6. Same way we are using that one also.
It will receive the signals and it will
அங்கே நம்ம ரிசீவரை வச்சுட்டு இல்லை ஜிபிஎஸ் மிஷின் வச்சுட்டு இப்போ வந்து
coordination point எடுக்க போயிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
கோஆர்டினேஷன் பாயிண்ட் போயிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
Ranger comes survey. என்ன சொல்றேன்? நம்ம ஒரு லைன்ல இருக்கோம். சர்வே
இப்போ திருப்பி
Yeah. This is the R5 receiver. Anchal is R8S. Sorry, R8S. Drama. Rod. This is R8 receiver. Its number is, you can see here. Number. 5924
526 சார்
26
ஆர்
R 911
96
96.
ஒரு முறை சொல்லுவாப்ல
இது நம்பர்
R9
26
26
R
R
911
911
96.
96. This is receiver number.
அப்போ ஃபைல் நம்பர் வந்து
Okay.
1196
In this only one battery is there.
91196.
0.
This is on off switch. This is satellite signal indicator. Okay. This is downloading indicator. This is battery indicator. Okay. If you keep this one, switch on this one before the if you on this system, you have to have Android phone. Android phone. Download one Trimble DL app. Yesterday I downloaded. Na? Just connect this instrument to your phone. Anyone you can connect. At that time only one instrument.
நான் கட் பண்ணவா
Connected. You are on
டிஸ்பிளே ஓடும்.
Okay. I am switching on this one. Just switch on this button.
பார்த்து
File number 3290 or 1196. 1196 3290. அங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஷன் 0, செகண்ட் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு 1 தான் வரும். அப்படி இல்ல.
இந்த டிவைஸோட சீரியல் நம்பர் போடுறோம்.
அதே 0/2 meters வரும்.
Yeah. While keeping this,
Yeah.
bubble should be center. Yeah. See, for keeping the bubble center, just press these two buttons using your thumb. Okay. Within the circle. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. Battery signal. Okay. Do you connected? Yes. Who connected? Okay. Yes. See, this is connecting. This number should be same. Okay. Now go to survey style. Survey style. Now antenna height. How much it is? Its height is
2 meters.
2 meters. Now units meters or feet? Meters. And which mode is you are going to observe? Static mode. Fast static means that is RTK for RTK method. Static mode. Logging interval 15 every 15 seconds it will store the data. Okay. Elevation mask. This is for multipath error. For avoiding multipath error, you are using masking. That means using from this horizontal line up to 10 degrees, it won't take the signal. Above the 10 degrees, it will take the signal from satellites. Then here we are using all type of satellites, GLONASS and BEODO or Galileo and QZSS. And PDOP, dilution of precision 6. If it is more than 6, it won't take. Okay. Then measure
6 years.
PDOP. No. It's not showing, no. We are giving condition.
Okay.
We are giving conditions
Standard-
only.
standard
Standard measurements. Okay. Then static time 5 minutes. No, that is
Study we have set for 5 minutes.
30 minutes. Just 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes. Automatically store the point. Then go to back.
50 seconds சொன்னீங்களா 30 minutes?
Receiver manager.
30 seconds 30 minutes சொல்றாரு சார்.
Okay.
Already
No, already is there.
measure point.
Major point. Disturbed. Don't touch one. Point name. Here, what has in this written? B41. In your field, you have to construct one pillar for standard pillar. That is should be permanent. Further 30 to 40 years. It should not be disturbed. Okay. Why? Because you are observing point for making a control point. Okay. Here we are giving this name only. Here, there in your field, you should give your name. What you are writing there. Okay. Now B4. B4. Point 1. No, okay. B4 we will keep. Okay. Point code. Here actually B4 is code we will keep. We will keep this playground southeast. This is playground southeast corner, no? So we will keep this one PG. SE. That means PG playground southeast corner. Okay. Code is B4. Code is B4. Next antenna height 2 meters. Here also we can change. Then in receiver type RHS. Bottom of antenna mount. That means up to here only we are measuring the height of antenna.
They say he said up to middle of the bumper.
Middle of
Center of the bumper.
yellow. If you are measuring up to here, this you can give the center of the bumper. But we are measuring up to here only. This rod height is 2 meters.
Okay, yesterday Sir said actually up to this one 2 meters.
Like yesterday, full height is 2 meter.
Bumper. Okay, so no problem. You can continue, sir.
Bottom of bumper.
Bottom of the antenna mount.
Bottom of antenna mount. Okay. Now
Back.
serial number we will give automatically.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we are giving a static mode. Logging into 15 seconds. Now come down.
Start.
Then start.
30 minutes.
Now it's going. 30 minutes we have given. Lapsing time is showing. Now after closing, we will press the store button. Okay. Now write the time 4:30 starting time. Starting time is 4:30. File number you have written and antenna height 2 meters. Okay. Now you have to fill this form. All are having this form now. Here description of station is there and sketch is there. You have actually you are observing the GPS points. Afterwards you may give the this coordinates into your office. Afterwards after some years some may will use this point. So he has to reach this point without any asking anybody using your description. So how can you write this one? You have to write its description clearly. So where it is first? It is southeast corner of playground. Where is the playground? In south. No. In Survey of India campus.
Okay, sir.
Uppal. So again, anybody you can come up to Uppal and Survey of India campus and playground. Where it is? From here, some references should be given. Here from this is MTS section. From there, how much distance? In which direction? From there which direction this is? This is north direction. This is north. Okay. So from there which direction?
Northeast.
No. From there. Southwest. From there, southwest direction. For example, this is Mackenzie Hostel. From there which direction? South direction. Here permanent feature is not there. Some borewell is there.
Okay, sir.
From borewell which direction?
Northeast.
North.
Northeast, sir.
No. Northeast. Northeast. From there northeast direction. Okay. Like this, you have to give minimum 3 references. Okay. So how can you write its description?
Located in the Uppal Survey of India, Uppal Survey of India campus.
First, you have to write whatever there on the ground first before one. Just circle is there. Okay, and dot is there. Then before one. Actually, yeah, remind one more thing. Just whenever you are writing on the ground, just keep your head towards north. Then only you have to write. Here this is wrong. Towards west direction he has written. So, while you are writing on the ground or anything, just face your face towards north direction. Then only you have to write. So you have to write like this. But here, like this before one, before is mark on stone. That is a planted stone, not a permanent stone or natural stone. Planted stone in southeast corner of playground in SY campus and SY campus Uppal. Otherwise SY campus, okay. Now you have to give 3 references. Write down. Your writing is better than me. Okay. It is how much distance it will be there? 100 meters. It is about 80 meters.
80 meters.
It is about 80 meters. From which direction?
Southwest.
Southwest of. That is the southwest corner.
Southwest corner of
Southwest corner of empty section building. Southwest corner of empty section building. Understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Then one more reference we will give.
From campus, hostel, McKinsey.
From hostel,
McKinsey.
100 meters. It is about 100 meters south of 100 meters south of Mackenzie Hostel. Here borewell, from borewell, it is 50 meters
Southeast.
northeast. From there, northeast direction. 50 meters northeast of borewell. Okay. Wow, no? Last sentence. It is situated in SY campus, Uppal, Hyderabad. In your area, you have to mention village, mandal or taluk, district, state. Okay. Here Uppal, Hyderabad means it's a well identified. It is situated in SY campus, Uppal, Hyderabad. It should be have to written. Okay. Now sketch. How can you draw it? Sketch.
Important main roads.
First road. What you have given references? MTS building. First playground. Road. MTS building. Mackenzie Hostel. Where it is going road? This side wicket gate. That side guest house.
Wicket gate.
That gate is small gate is there, no? That is wicket gate we will call. Wicket. Sir, our time is 4:30. हाँ 4:30. ओके ठीक है 5 बजे बंद कर दें. 25 मिनट और एक करेंगे. ठीक है 25 मिनट्स 4:55 में कर देंगे. ओके. That batch also started at 4:30 only. Okay, come forward.
Borewell. Pipe borewell. வெளியே போய் கிரவுண்டுக்கு தான் இருக்கு. ஓகே ஓகே கேட்டு கேட்டு எழுத்துக்கே இன்னொரு கல்யாணம் பண்ணலாம்.
அந்த கிட்டேன்னு சொன்னார்.
அது ஒன்றும் இல்லை, அது ஹாஸ்டல்
ஹாஸ்டல்லா? கெஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் అబ్జర్వేషన్ పాయింట్.
మీ వాళ్ళు రోవర్ తిప్పుతున్నారు అంటున్నారు కదా, సేమ్ ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది. ఇలాగే పట్టుకెళ్తారు, జస్ట్ పెట్టేస్తారు అంతే పాయింట్ దగ్గర. అదే మీరు బండల దగ్గర అయితే
இப்போ இந்த டேட் ஆஃப்ல என்ட்ரு அடுத்து அங்கே அந்த டேட் ஆஃப்ல என்ட்ரு அப்படியே ஒரு இங்கே வந்து சார் முடிக்கலாம்.
పెట్టేసి జస్ట్ 2 minutes దాన్ని ఒకసారి ట్యాబ్లెట్లో జస్ట్ ఒకసారి ప్రెస్ பண்ணுறாங்க.
சைமல்டேனியஸாக 3 ஸ்டேஜ் பண்ணிட்டுருக்கோம். 3 ஸ்டேஜ் எப்படி லிங்க் ஆகுது, இது வந்து அந்த ஸ்டேஜ் வந்து எப்படி டேட்டா எடுக்குது, அதுதான் நோட் ஸ்டேஜ்.
స్టాటిక్ మోడ్లో చెప్పు.
அதுலேருந்து இது ரிசீவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு இது வந்து நம்ம எடுக்கிற டேட்டா கரெக்ட் பண்ணி
అది మాస్టర్ అది
அது எல்லாமே எடுத்தோம்னா இது டேட்டா எடுக்கும். ஆனால் வந்து கரெக்டட் பாயிண்டாக இருக்காதுன்றாங்க.
இந்த ப்ளூடூத் கரெக்ட் ஆகுதா ஃபாரஸ்ட் எடுக்கும்போது?
ப்ளூடூத் இதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் சார். ஆனால் நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ ப்ரிகாஷன் இதுக்கு ப்ளூடூத் கிடச்சிரும். இதுக்கு அதிகமாக தான் பிரச்சனை. இதுக்கு வந்து ஓப்பனாக ஏரியாவிலேருந்து அதுக்கு இது கிடைக்கும். இதுவே வந்து உள்ளுக்குள்ள வச்சுட்டேங்க அப்படின்னா
இல்லை, இதை தள்ளி வச்சு சொல்கிறேன்.
என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா LCSன்னு ஒன்று சொன்னா அப்படின்னா அது வந்து கிரீன் இது 3 இருந்தாலும் சரி டனால் இருந்தாலும் சரி.
நான் ஆவணப்படம் எடுக்கும் பொழுது எனக்கு உதவி செய்த கோயம்புத்தூர் வனச்சரகர் அவர்களே,
நம்ம லோன் பாயிண்ட் இல்லை அப்படின்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு பாயிண்ட் எடுக்கும்போது நீங்கள் வந்து 36 ஹவர்ஸ் மினிமம் வைக்க சொல்கிறாங்க. 6 ஹவர்ஸ் ஒரு ஐடியலாக வச்சுக்கணும். அப்படியே அந்த டேட்டா என்ன பண்ணணுமா, ஐஜிஎஸ்னு ஒரு சர்வர் இருக்காமல் இது இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஜியோடெட்டிக் சர்வீசஸ், அதில் நீங்கள் அப்லோட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா அதில் அந்த ஃபைலை வச்சு அவங்க தான் அந்த இது அதுலேருந்து அதில் கொடுத்தா தான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த இது கோஆர்டினேட்ஸே கிடைக்குது.
ஸோ அதுலேருந்து தான் நம்ம ப்ரொசீட் பண்ணுவோம்.
ஆமாம், அந்த கோஆர்டினேட்ஸ் கிடச்சிச்சு அப்படின்னா அந்த இப்போ நம்ம அங்கே வச்சு பார்த்தீங்களா மாஸ்டர் அந்த மாதிரி இங்கே ஒரு செட் வச்சுருவோம், மாஸ்டர்னு வச்சுருவோம். அந்த மாஸ்டரோட கோஆர்டினேட்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு இப்போ நம்ம ஐஜிஎஸில் போட்டதுனால அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம ரோவர்ஸ் வைக்கிறோம். ஒவ்வொரு இடத்துல நம்ம ரோவர்ஸ் வச்சுட்டு போகிறோம்.
ரோவர்ஸ்ன்றது இது மாதிரி
சேம் டிவைஸ் தான். அவங்க வந்து ஃபாரஸ்ட் ஏரியாஸ் வந்து சர்வே பண்ணி கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதை வந்து நாங்கள் ஓவர்லே பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஓவர்லே பண்ணி எங்கெங்கே வந்து சேஞ்சஸ் வருதோ அங்கே மட்டும் நாங்கள் திருப்பி பார்ப்பாங்க. மற்றபடிக்கு அதே மேப்பு அப்படியே வந்துடும் அப்படின்றாங்க. நம்மள மாதிரி அப்போ ஜியாலஜிக்கல் சர்வே அவங்களும் வச்சுருக்காங்க சார். அவங்களும் சர்வே வச்சுருக்காங்க. நம்ம ஃபாரஸ்ட்டில் வச்சுருக்கிறோம். அந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்லையும் ஒவ்வொரு சர்வே வச்சுருக்காங்க.
இருக்குது, சர்வே ஆஃப் இந்தியா இருக்குது, அது மாதிரி
ஜியாலஜிக்கல்
சர்வே ஆஃப் இந்தியா ஒருத்தரும்
சர்வே டீம் வச்சுருக்காங்க.
யாரோட வச்சிருக்காங்க, நீ ஒன்று வச்சுருக்காங்க
எடுத்து தெரியும். பெட்ரோல் புழுக்கு மாதிரி தான்.
பெட்ரோல் பில் 30 minutes வச்சுருக்கோம். நேற்று சும்மா 5 minutes சும்மா ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக வச்சோம்.
கீழில் கூட தட்டி வைக்கலாமா நம்ம
கேள்வி கணைகளை தொடுத்து நம்மளோட இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர் வந்து காகிதத்தாலை கிளிக்க வைத்து விடுவார் போல.
நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் நோக்கி வா. நார்த் ஈஸ்ட்ல வந்தீங்கன்னா எங்களை
மேப் மட்டும் நம்ம வந்து கையில் போடுறதா நம்ம
உங்களோட பயிற்சி தானா?
என்ன சார் மேட்ச் ஆயிடுச்சா? இது நெக்ஸ்ட் லொகேஷன் 25 minutes ஸ்டாப் ஆகும்.
25 minutes. One more point you have to observe.
Okay sir.
Up to 5:30. To mail it.
Yes sir.
Email.
Go to yes. Today's date. Okay. Now you can mail. Okay. Stop it. Don't do. After second one also you can mail.
Fine sir. We have to switch off and then
Switch off it. Then move.
Switch off and then move. நீ அப்படியே அந்த மூலைக்கு வந்துடுங்க சார். அந்த மூலைக்கு வந்துடலாம் சார்ட்ட சொல்லிட்டேன். நீங்கள் அந்த மூலைக்கு வந்துருங்க.
ஈசான மொழிக்கு
இங்கிட்டு போய் சனி மூலை, இங்கிட்டு போய் சனி மூலை இருக்கு. என்ன படிப்பு, கம்பத்துக்கிட்டு போகிறது ஒரு படிப்பா. ஐயோ
V2
சார் கம்பத்துக்கு போய்ட்டு
Dot bottom should be on top.
இப்போ எழுதுறதுக்கு ஒன்றும் வேலை இல்லை.
ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸ்ட்ரைட் நீங்கள் அதில் சென்டர் பண்ணும்போது எத்தனை வைக்க சொல்ல ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக வச்சாங்க கொஞ்சம்
கல் விடுவோம் நாங்கள்லாம் பழசில் சென்டரில் வந்து கல்லாக போடுறது.
டைம் டேபிளில் கொண்டு
ஓகேவா? அதை வச்சு கொஞ்சம் மேலே தூக்க அப்படியே
படம் ஆரம்பிக்க மாட்டாருவாங்க சார்.
கொஞ்சம் இப்படி வா அப்படியே அமுத்திட்டு கொஞ்சம் என்
It
சைடு
may fall. It may fall. It should be long.
லாங்
Large enough.
டிஸ்டன்ஸ்.
லென்த் வருதா இந்த சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் வருதா
Center point is here, bottom.
Is it okay?
ఓకే నేను చెప్పాను కదా మీరు చెప్పింది కదా ప్రెస్ చేసి మూవ్ కర్జే ఇట్స్ మూవింగ్ நான் தான் மூவ் பண்ணுறேன் நீ வா టచ్ பண்ணாம కొంచెం ఇక్కడ పోజ్ చాలు చాలు హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు और प्रेस मत आड़ी मत
Okay, after that you can do. Okay, it's okay. Now connected.
మెసేజ్ ఏం తిరుగుతుంది మెసేజ్ కాదు కూపన్ ప్రింట్ కట్టారు
ట్రిపుల్ డి
This one already connected.
So again we want to do the settings means what we have to do. No, connect
These four meters.
2 meters.
B4, only the B4 too, sir.
Yeah, it's, you can change it is 15 degrees. Here the obstruction is there, not this side.
Okay, sir.
So you can change it is. You can drag this one. Use that button.
அப்புறம் வந்து பக்கத்துல வந்து அப்புறம்
இது பண்ணி
மைனஸ் பண்ணி
15 degree, okay. Elevation mark, all the one PDW, okay. 30 minutes. Make it 25.
25 minutes.